Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get video game in Infinite Craft. So let's add in here wind, and on this wind right here, let's proceed to add earth. Now let's merge them together. We have dust, and on this dust right here, let's add another dust on our board, and then from in there, let's add earth in here on our board and merge them to the dust. Now we have the planet. So for this planet, let's put them aside for now. Then let's add fire to that planet, and now we have the sun. So for this sun right here, let's head over and add another fire for that, and then merge that to the sun, and now we have solar. So for this solar right here, let's add in here planet. Now we have system. So let's add fire to that system. We have computer. And now since we have that, let's head over and add another element, which is wind, and add that to the dust. We have sandstorm, and then let's add sandstorm to another sandstorm. We have dust storm, and on this dust storm right here, we can proceed to add another element, which is sandstorm, and we have dust bowl. So for this one, what we can do is we can head over and put in here another dust and add water to that dust. We have mud. And on this mud right here, let's put dust bowl to that mud, and we have mud bowl. So since we already have these two right here, let's head over and then let's actually put in a few more elements. So what we need to put on is another element that's already existing right here. Let's add mud right here. We have football, and then let's add computer right here. And then on this computer, we can proceed to merge these two together. We have Madden. So on this Madden, let's add football, and now we have video game. So in here, we already have the video game created on our Infinite Craft. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!